The life cycle of a caterpillar is a remarkable example of nature's ability to transform and adapt. This fascinating process, known as metamorphosis, involves several stages, each marked by dramatic changes in the caterpillar's form and function. The complete life cycle of a caterpillar includes four main stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Here's a detailed exploration of each stage. The life cycle begins when a female butterfly or moth lays eggs, typically on the leaves of a host plant. The choice of plant is crucial, as it will serve as the food source for the emerging larvae, or caterpillars. Eggs are tiny, often oval or spherical, and vary in color, texture, and pattern depending on the species. They are usually laid in clusters or singly on the underside of leaves to reduce predation. Once the eggs hatch, they release the larvae, which are commonly known as caterpillars. This stage is primarily focused on feeding and growing. Caterpillars are equipped with strong mandibles, or jaws, that enable them to chew through leaves and other plant material. They consume large quantities of food to fuel their growth. During this stage, the caterpillar undergoes several molts, or shedding of its skin, as it outgrows its exoskeleton. Each molt reveals a larger and more developed caterpillar. Caterpillars come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, which can serve as camouflage or warning signals to potential predators. Some are designed to mimic other objects, such as bird droppings or twigs, to avoid being eaten. Others might have bright colors or patterns to warn predators of their potential toxicity. After the caterpillar has reached its full size, it enters the pupal stage. This stage is marked by a significant transformation as the caterpillar prepares to become a butterfly or moth. The caterpillar attaches itself to a secure surface and molts into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis in butterflies or a cocoon in moths. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes a complex transformation known as histolysis and histogenesis. Histolysis involves the breakdown of caterpillar tissues, while histogenesis is the formation of adult tissues. During this period, the caterpillar's body is reorganized into the adult butterfly or moth form. This stage can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. The final stage of the life cycle is the emergence of the adult butterfly or moth. Once the transformation is complete, the chrysalis splits open and the adult insect emerges. Initially, its wings are soft and wet, and it must pump fluid into them to expand and strengthen them for flight. The adult stage is primarily focused on reproduction. Butterflies and moths have a variety of strategies for attracting mates, including visual signals like bright colors and patterns, and chemical signals like pheromones. After mating, females lay eggs, and the cycle begins anew. Throughout their life cycle, caterpillars and their adult forms have evolved various adaptations to enhance their survival and reproductive success. For example, camouflage. Many caterpillars are camouflaged to blend in with their surroundings, reducing the risk of predation. Mimicry. Some caterpillars and adult butterflies mimic other species to avoid being eaten. Toxicity. Certain species have evolved toxic chemicals as a defense mechanism against predators. Pollination. Adult butterflies and moths play a crucial role in pollination, transferring pollen from flower to flower as they feed on nectar. Caterpillars and their adult forms play significant roles in ecosystems. Caterpillars are important herbivores, and their feeding activities can influence plant community dynamics. Adult butterflies and moths are key pollinators, contributing to the health and reproduction of many plant species. In summary, the life cycle of a caterpillar is a fascinating journey of transformation that highlights the complexity and adaptability of nature. From the initial egg stage through the transformative pupal stage to the emergence of the adult butterfly or moth, each phase of the life cycle is a testament to the incredible processes of metamorphosis and evolution.